Today I'm going to be showing you the model home here at Pulte's community called River Run Preserve in Sanford. Now this community has about 95 home sites. They have sold 45. 45 homes have been sold already. This has only been open for 2.5 months. They do have about 50 home sites left, so there is still availability, and they have 7 or 8 homes that will be available as inventory homes coming in the spring of 2022. So I'm going to show you this lovely model home and give you some more information about Pulte as we go through it. Okay, so we're going to check out the general location of this community. So here, this is it, River Run Preserves by Pulte Homes. I'm highlighting it in blue. You are just south of Boom Bah Sports Complex and the Orlando Sanford International Airport. I'm going to zoom out a bit and show you where downtown Sanford is. You'll find that right up in here, so maybe a 10-minute drive to get to downtown Sanford. To get to Orlando, you would most probably jump on the 417, which is the toll road, and go down this way, and that takes you to downtown Orlando. So let's zoom out a bit more. So Orlando Airport is down here, and the community that we were just looking at is up here just south of the airport. Now I have mentioned this before. This is Galileo School for Gifted Learning, and this is where this home is located, right next to that new campus on Skyway Drive. And now we're in front of the model home. It is the Spruce Model, and as you can see, it was a beautiful day and there is a lot of construction going on all around this community. The Spruce Model can have either 3 or 4 bedrooms, and this one, as you will see, has a flex space right off the front door. And this model is about 2,100 square feet. So in this case, they're using it as an office, also great for homeschooling right now. I hope you don't mind, sometimes I get distracted by the decor in the model homes. And as we head to the right, this would normally take you to the garage there to the right, but that goes to the model home's office right now. And this would be your laundry, but right now it has a printer in it instead. And still here to the front of the home, there are the 2 guest bedrooms. So this is a 3-bedroom model of this home, and they do share a bathroom. It's not a Jack and Jill setup, but it is across the hall from each of these bedrooms. As we make our way towards the middle of the house, we come to the kitchen, the very nice and highly desirable open plan, so you look out over your family room area and through the pavers to the backyard. I have to say, I think Pulte did a great job with one thing that has absolutely nothing to do with this house, but I'm always really curious about where they get this furniture, and they have a QR code so that you can scan it and take a look at where this stuff came from. I'm always trying to figure out where they get their furniture. So if something catches your eye and you'd like to know where it came from, just let me know, because I did indeed scan the QR code. River Run Preserve will have a community swimming pool. The houses range in size from 1,600 to about 2,900, and the prices range from $360,000 to about $650,000, at least at the time of this recording. Right now it's taking about 9 to 12 months if you want to have one custom built with your own specifications on it. As I'm sure you know, there are some delays that can't be controlled, but that is the estimated amount of time that it will take to build. As I mentioned at the beginning, there are 7 or 8 inventory homes that will be available mid-March or April of 2022 also. And here I'm not trying to see what they keep in their drawers. I was just checking to see if they had the soft closing variety, and they do. And if you find yourself needing any more information about this or any other home in Central Florida, you can find all of my contact information below this video.